In this video, I'll show you how to create user profiles in Salesforce so you can control access while keeping your org secure and organized. Start by clicking the gear icon and opening Setup, then use the search box to find Profiles under User Management. You'll see a list of existing profiles, which can serve as useful templates. Click New, enter a clear and descriptive profile name, and choose an existing profile as the base, so you're not building permissions from scratch. Once created, review object permissions to define create, read, edit, and delete access, adjust field level security for sensitive data, and configure app and tab visibility. If needed, refine system permissions, record type access, login hours, or IP restrictions. Follow the principle of least privilege to avoid over-permissioning. Save your changes and test with a sample user to confirm everything works as intended. Subscribe for more practical Salesforce admin tutorials.